Priyanka, don't do this. I'm making a dosa for my brother. I was gonna order one t-shirt dress, but it was sold out in my size. And I came home to these packages and I got some. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog which starts with my swollen face. Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life and it is a work day, so I'm going to show you guys how a weekday in my life looks like. Usually I do weekend vlogs and today, yeah, I'll show you my office. And some of you guys asked for an office tour. That's obviously not possible because a lot of workplaces have some policies. You can't shoot in the workplace and stuff. But probably the cafeteria, the entrance area and stuff, and I'll show you some of my colleagues who usually help me with pictures. And some of you guys wanted to see a video on what I eat in a day, which doesn't make much sense because I eat a mix of like healthy food and junk and random stuff. I'm not on a diet or anything, so but since we're vlogging today, I'll show you guys what I eat in a day also. So it's gonna be a mix of things so that you guys don't get bored. And let's go, let's get ready. I'm super late. Right after brushing, I drink about 1 liter of water. If you're not used to drinking 1 liter, then you can start small. Like you can start by drinking 1 or 2 glasses and then increase it slowly. That's how I did it. It'll flush out all the toxins and it's really good and hydrating for your skin as well. After that, I move on to vegetable juice. This keeps varying. I drink vegetable juice sometimes and I drink wheatgrass juice sometimes. After that, I just pick up my coffee, which I take in a mug and rush to office. Bye, Brownie. Bye, cutie. Oreo. Around 11 AM I get hungry again, so I have this salad usually. Almost lunchtime, it's almost 1. Let's go. Got done with lunch and mostly that's what it is, but of course it varies every day. But it's pretty much rice and some curries usually.
Please, Priyanka, don't do this.
Vinnie Shruti.
कौन उसमें चम्मच डाल डाल के खाया?
किसने चम्मच डाल डाल के नहीं खाया, सिर्फ मैंने खाया चम्मच डाल के।
हाँ तो ठीक है.
Got done for the day, guys. Heading home and I'll catch you up after I get there. Usually you guys see the inside part of the garden. This is the outside of it. There's the dog. The street dog. Here is another one. We have creepers like till the top. This is the balcony where you see, like, you know, a lot of pictures in the morning, which I click, especially when I'm running late and I don't. When I want to show you guys my office OOTD, this is where I click pictures. Not very aesthetic, but not bad either. Like my mom's work with all the creepers and stuff. Hey guys, got back home, and usually I get home like at 7:30-ish. Today I came home super early. When I say super early, I mean like 6:30. And yeah, I just came back upstairs, and you saw those dogs downstairs. And if you don't know the story behind those street dogs, then you should watch my previous vlog. I spoke about them a little bit, and thank you so much for the response on that video, and all of you guys gave so many suggestions about how you can help strays and stuff. Very useful, guys. Thank you so much. Can't thank you guys enough. Anyway, so I got home and I came home to these packages, and I got some t-shirts from bewakoof.com. So let me just open up and show you guys sort of like a mini unboxing. It's a little difficult to show you guys things in a vlog style, so I thought I'll just sit down in my usual video style and show you guys. So I got two t-shirts from bewakoof.com. This is for me. It says, "When in doubt, go to sleep," which is really cute. I really like such slogan tees to wear at home or even for casual use, something really comfortable. So I got this in 3XL so that it'll be all baggy and super comfortable. And I got this one for my brother. This is the Black Panther one, and I got this in the size large. So with one of them I got this band, and the other one had this keychain. Moving on, I'll leave the links in the description box in case you would like to check it out. This is not my first time trying bewakoof.com. I previously got some night pants as a gift for a friend. I think I got the Batman pants, and they're really nice. They have these superhero and comic tees and everything. So I got these Batman pants. They're really good quality. I have no idea where they are right now. Like, they got passed on to some other friends in some pool party, and I have no idea. That is how much people like those Batman pants. I wanted to buy them for myself, but then they got out of stock later. So anyway, I'll leave the links in the description box in case you would like to check them out. Now moving on, since I came a little early today, I thought I'll finish up one of the videos that I was filming. I'm doing a spring summer haul, which will probably go up before this vlog. So do check out the spring summer haul in case you haven't. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and film the rest of it. Like, I've done most of the video. I'm just left with some try on, like pictures for the try on part. So I'll just go finish that up and got done with the video. I took some shots, like I just put on some red lipstick and then clicked some pictures. By the way, did you guys know that bewakoof.com also has dresses now? Like, I had no idea. I was gonna order one t-shirt dress, but it was sold out in my size. I'll keep an eye for that. I have been meaning to do a video about some quirky websites where you can find all quirky things. bewakoof.com was one of them, but I didn't get around to that video. So moving on, I'll get to editing these videos. Made some scrambled egg, and this is just curd rice. Giving those two dogs which you saw in my previous vlog. I'm making a dosa for my brother. Having ULAVA CHARU rice and buttermilk for dinner. So now it's post dinner, and I think it's around 10 p.m. if I'm not wrong. Anyway, I just clean up everything in the kitchen. Not that I do that every day, but anyway, it happens sometimes. So I cleaned up everything in the kitchen, locked up all the doors and stuff. Now I'm off. So I am gonna end the vlog now. I'll just go edit some video, and then that's it. I'll oil my hair. I wanted to shoot one video today, like it's sort of a styling video. I wanted to shoot that, but then my hair is a little messy and oily since it's summer, so I thought I'll do it tomorrow. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as well. A lot of you guys asked me what I do apart from YouTube, so I thought I'll just do a quick little a day in my life where I show you my office and my colleagues and everything. So yeah, I work with Insofe and I'm part of the branding team. We are into analytics, training and consulting. So if you are a graduate and if you're looking to switch to data science, or if you're looking to become a data scientist, then you should check them out. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check out the website in case you're interested in doing a program with us. I do keep bumping into you guys, some of you guys there as well, since some of you guys are doing the program actually, and I keep bumping into some of you guys in the lift because Hamstuck is in the same building. So anyway, that was a day in my life vlog. Let me know in the comments below how you like it, and if you would like me to vlog on any particular thing, and if you want me to do any other videos as well, let me know in the comments below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.